Hey, how's it going? Jeff here, and as promised, I have gone out and got access to Traffic Titan 2, and I'm going to give you the full members area review. I'm going to walk you through all of the different software that you'll be using, and I'm going to show you exactly how everything works. That way, whenever you make the investment, you'll already know what you're doing and you'll be able to get started using this powerful software suite immediately. Okay? So I want to mention before I get started that if at any time you want to get access to Traffic Titan, all you have to do is click on the link right below this video and you'll be taken over to the Traffic Titan 2 website where you can get instant access to Traffic Titan 2. All right? So the first thing that you're going to get with Traffic Titan 2 is the quick start guide. All right. Now this is 43 pages of awesomeness. Okay. It's going to teach you what free traffic is. It's going to give you the background on affiliate marketing and why you should be an affiliate. It's also going to answer some of the questions that affiliates ask and everything like that. But later on down the guide, you're going to get quick action steps that you can start taking right now using the software that is provided to you in the Traffic Titan 2 software suite. All right, so you're going to get steps 1 through 6 that'll teach you about using the niche finder, the keyword finder software, and about using all of the different pieces of software that I'm fixing to walk you through right now. Okay, so that is the quick start guide that you're going to get. Super awesome. I think that you'll benefit from it a ton. Okay. So the next thing you're going to get access to is niche money software. All right. And this is super powerful because it's a database containing all of the different niches that you'll be able to promote products from. And you can see that there's a ton of them here. Pages and pages of them already done for you. So it cuts out a lot of the guesswork that people go through and all of that. So you'll never have to worry about guessing if something's going to work or not. You can see it all laid out here for you by the Google searches, the CPC, the competition, and the earnings per day, right? So you'll be able to tap into these huge, massive markets very easily simply by just going to your category, let's say electronics, and let's filter that, and then choosing something off this list, right? So choosing your niche, let's say it's nanny cam. Then what you're going to do next is you're going to select the relevance rating for each site. Okay, so something like ABC News or Amazon or something like that, Best Buy, they're probably not going to be very relevant to the nanny cam keyword. But if you take somewhere like Brickhouse Security, we'll give that a higher rating, right? That way it only returns keywords that are highly relevant to the product that we are promoting, right? So this is what I do for every single one is I will go down through here and just select sites and give them a high relevance score for the niche that I am going into, right? So since we're talking about a nanny cam, we're talking about spy equipment or something like that. You want to spy on the nanny, make sure she's not beating or choking your kids or something like that. Then you would want to go to like a spy gadget store or something like that, right? So I give those all high relevance scores, and then the next thing I have to do is export the keywords, and you can see here almost 900 keywords just that quickly, just in a snap of a finger. You've got not only the keywords but the relevance score, right? So if you wanted to export these in onto your computer, you could easily do that simply by exporting the keywords. However, we have access to the Keyword Titan software, right? Which is the third thing that you're going to get access to, the Keyword Titan software. All right, so once you decide to launch the Keyword Titan, then this is what's going to open is going to be your most highly relevant keywords. Now, along with that, you're going to get so much data on these keywords that you're going to just, I mean, it's basically like the software is doing the work for you, right? So you're going to get your keyword, you're going to get the relevant score, you're going to get the value of that keyword, You're going to get the number of searches that are conducted for that keyword, the cost per click, the SEO profit, and the YouTube profit. It also allows you to do niche research straight from the software and to search for a highly relevant domain based on the keyword that you select a domain for, right? And we'll talk about that here in just a little bit when we get to the domain valley part. Okay. All right. So, whenever you're reading this stuff, you obviously want to choose a keyword to target that is relevant to your niche. So you want to pick one with a high relevant score. Obviously, the more value, the better. And when it comes to searches, the more the better. Cost per click, if you are doing something like AdSense, for example, then you would obviously want to choose a keyword that has a high cost per click. Okay, so that's where you place ads on your site, and Google pays you for every 1,000 visitors that come across your site, right? And then if you are the one who is placing ads, then you want to get the lowest cost per click, right? So if you're going out on Google or Bing or somewhere like that, and you're doing a cost per click campaign, where you're putting a ad that leads back to a landing page on your site or a product page or something like that, then you would want to choose the keyword that has the lowest cost per click, like this mini spy camera that's 48 cents per click, right? That way you get the most bang for your buck. Um, and then when it comes to SEO profit, you obviously want to get the highest percentage possible, and YouTube profit the same thing. Okay, so from here you are able to either save these keywords or export these keywords onto your computer. If you choose to save the keywords, you're going to find them up in the saved section. Okay. You can also filter the YouTube profits, SEO profits, and PPC profits, and you can arrange these by the value, the relevance, the number of searches, or anything else that you would like. All right, so that is the Keyword Titan. The next thing you're going to have access to is this amazing website to image software. And guys, I'm telling you, whenever you see this thing in action, you're going to see exactly how easy it is to use. So let me just take a step back here real quick, and let's take a look at what this website to image software allows you to do. Okay, so the first thing that you'll notice is that this is a database full of products that are, you can go by niche here, or you can go by network, either JVZoo or ClickBank, and these are products that have a high conversion rate. These are products that are selling like wildfire, and people want these products. So that cuts out a lot of the guesswork on a lot of your testing and trying to figure out, hey, is this actually going to work? Is this product actually going to convert? Am I going to be able to make affiliate commissions from it? And so that cuts out all of that by giving you the information you need. And then once you choose one, let's choose the dog training one that I was on. All you're going to have to do is go over to view and create. So you can go down through here and you can get a preview of each site, so that before you ever even go to the site, what it's going to look like, and if it's something that you'll be able to make a video from. All right, so whenever you're ready to start making, taking screenshots is basically what you're doing, but you're doing it all at once. Okay, so what I've done here is I've already created my screenshots here, but I'll get down to, like, let's do this section here. If you want to create a screenshot, all you have to do is hold down your mouse button, and then you can take that screenshot just straight from there, and then let the mouse button go, and it makes a selection for you. Okay, so you can go up here and you can see all of your selections. I've made 9 altogether. All right, so once you're done, if you decide that, hey, you know what, I don't really want this one to be part of it, all you have to do is click this little trash can icon, and it will unselect that. So now you only have 8 selections chosen, and then you just click on this extract all 8 selections as images file, as a zip file, I'm sorry. And then that will create a zip file for you here. Okay, now what you're going to do with those images is you're going to use it on the step 5, and you're going to get the images to video software. Okay, so let me open that up for you here. I've got the images to video pulled up, and then what we're going to do is import that zip file that we created in the last step. And so we're just going to choose that zip file, What it's going to do is import all of those images for us and then give us a preview of what that's going to look like in a video format. Okay, so you can see all of these different images that I clipped from the site that I took screenshots of. Now they are turned into a video. All right, so at this point I can do any editing that I need to do to these images. There's a ton of different options right here. I can change the time so that it's longer or shorter. I can replace the image. I can do a lot of different things. I can even take the image out if I decide, hey, you know what? I don't actually like that slide there. Let me just click on the X and get rid of this one. Or if you want to add images, you can do that as well. All right. So it's a ton of different options available to you. Will allow you to edit your videos very quickly and easily with just the click of a few buttons. So if you click on the settings button, you can go over here and you can upload an MP3 file. So let's say you went over to a site like Fiverr or somewhere like that, and you got someone to create a voiceover for you to go along with your video. All you would have to do is upload that file right here, and that's going to automatically add that voiceover to your slideshow, right? Whenever you are done choosing your audio file, your background, all of that stuff, then all you're going to have to do is click on render. Now that is going to create you a video that you can instantly upload to YouTube and start getting traffic to your affiliate offers, to your websites, to your landing pages, capture pages, wherever you want to send that traffic to. You'll be able to do that very, very easily with that image to video software. Okay. Next thing you're going to have access to is the domain Eveli software. All right. So this is where you are going to start creating your website, right? Very simple stuff to do. All you have to do is click on, put your first word into the first word keyword box and your second word here. So I chose dog training to go along with my dog training video. And it's going to go out and look for domains that are high value and that are low value, but it all really depends on the domain name as to how valuable it is. So this one that's $6,000, there's two that's $6,000, and then you've got a $15 one, right? But this is just for the .com, .net, and the typical names that you're used to. You can also perform searches for all of these other domain extensions as well. And you can also go up here and look at the premium domains, the $1,000 domains that you can get as well. So once you choose your domain name, all you'd have to do is you can register it through Namecheap right from the dashboard. You can search a keyword, or you can create your website and get a done for you website, right? All right, so super powerful software that takes all the guesswork out of which domain name you want to get. Shows you the value of it, allows you to register that domain straight from the site. So super valuable piece of software. All right. And then the next thing that you're going to have access to is the Titan WordPress theme. All right. Now I haven't installed this theme yet because I wanted to get this review to you as quickly as possible. So I don't have an example of what that looks like. However, you can go over to the Traffic Titan 2 website and you'll be able to see exactly what this theme will look like once you upload it to your domain name. Okay. So go check that out on the sales page by clicking on the link in the description of this video, and you can see exactly what the Titan WordPress theme looks like. All right. So the last piece of the puzzle is the training videos. Now these are over-the-shoulder videos that are going to show you exactly how to use all of this powerful software. So you've got video 1, which is the niche money that I walked you through over here. So you'll be able to see all of the stuff that I did, but more in depth. You'll get a more in-depth look at everything instead of me just speeding through everything and trying to show you how to use everything. You'll get an in-depth 32-minute training, right? Then you've got the Keyword Titan training video. So that's another 7 minutes that will show you more in depth how to use the Keyword Titan to your advantage. Okay. You've got website to image software. You've got the image to video software. and you've got the Domain Valley software training videos. So these, like I said, are way more in depth than what you get right here. I just want to show you how easy this software is to use and how powerful it is in helping you to create a traffic campaign to start getting traffic over to your affiliate offers so that you can start filling your bank account up with commissions, right? Um, and then you're going to get a bonus of the T-shirt Titan, and then you have support. Okay, so that is all that comes with the Traffic Titan 2. Actually, there's one more piece to it, and I think that it's called the sites database, and that is where you'll be able to go out and easily get links to your site, to your videos, to anywhere that you want to point those links to show Google that you have relevance, that your site is relevant to the keyword that you've targeted, and that helps you move up in the search engine ranking so that you can get traffic from Google and YouTube at the same time, which are two very powerful sources of traffic. So you definitely want to take advantage of those. So, like I said, that is it for this Traffic Titan 2 review. I hope that it's been helpful to you. I hope that it's been useful. I highly recommend that you click on the button right below this video, or click on the link in the description of this video. Go ahead and get access to Traffic Titan 2 today. See how simple it is to use for yourself. See how quickly you'll be able to start getting traffic and start filling up your bank account with affiliate commissions. All right. That is it for this review. I hope that it showed you everything that you need to see. Go ahead and click on the link in the description of this video right now. Get instant access to Traffic Titan 2, and I will see you in the next review. Thank you so much for watching.